and it was very tough. We didn't know, and we knew like if you can't find Preeti, you can't make Kabir Singh, because Preeti is the heart of Kabir Singh. And till Kiara gave her first shot, I remember we were so nervous, but finally it came through, and Kabir Singh happened, and yeah, that's that. Okay. Ishan has asked a question. Is this Ishan? Kidhar hai ye Ishan? I don't know. What's one thing about Kabir Singh that's totally opposite to your personality? Most things about Kabir Singh are completely different from my personality. I mean, I am not violent in nature at all. I don't really think like I'm somebody who is so straight up that he can just go, call a girl and start speaking to her. I don't think that's at all in my personality. I don't think I can. I'm pretty shy around girls actually. So, many things about Kabir Singh are very, very different from, he was also the younger brother. I am the elder brother, so I'm the more responsible type. I think I think he was also a bit. छोटे भाई जो होते हैं थोड़े brash होते हैं तो. What else? Some more questions. Never felt you were acting in Kabir Singh. You were living it. This is Dr. Anuja. Thank you, Anuja, so much. That's the nicest thing to hear about any performance. Thank you so much. Life is Shahid. When I saw Arjun Reddy first time, I wanted you to do the remake. Okay, great. That makes the two of us. Hi, Pratibha. Shanetic Nimra. Hi. Shout out to Shanetic Nimra. Interesting question. That's from Rohit Raikwad. Okay, well, I'm not allowed to say much except that I have loved Rajan DK's work for a while, and I actually really enjoyed seeing Family Man, and I recently saw season 2 and I totally loved it. And well, I'm not allowed to say much except that it's very different from anything that I've done, and it's going to be very exciting. And I don't know what genre I can call it. I think it's a quirky crime drama is the best that I can say, and I can't really tell you much about what I'm playing in it except that something very different from what I've done till now, and I'm very nervous about making a digital debut, because I really feel that actors who might have been liked and loved on the big screen might or might not be appreciated on a digital platform, because I think that's a very different platform. It's a long form format where you tell stories over a period of time, and you can't just be okay if people like you for a couple of hours. They need to be interested in your character, they need to connect with you, and you need to be able to hold their attention for 9-10 episodes, which is 4.5-5 hours of footage. So it's a very different thing, and I don't really think that I'm experienced in that space. So it would be very interesting to see how people react to me on that platform. But I kind of always wanted to do a long form format, because I felt there's a lot you can do with a character. Sometimes you feel you don't have enough time as an actor to depict all the different facets of a character that you felt. And many a times, I mean, most of the times when I finished my movies, whether it was Haider or whether it was Kabir Singh, I always used to feel like I hope I've been able to bring out every aspect of this character, and I've always wondered whether I have. So when you have more time to spend with the character, it allows you to share more of him with the audience. So it'll be very interesting to see how people respond to that, and whether they like me in that space, and like whether I'm able to do something different as opposed to just what I do in a movie in that platform. Okay, I'm trying to see what else. I've just been informed that Preeti has said hi to me on this platform, so if I may just take a moment from all you wonderful people and say, Preeti! Hey Kiara, how are you? What's up? I miss you. And today is as much your day as it is mine, and it is our day, and it's a great day. And I couldn't have done this without you, Kiara. You were the only Preeti that could have been, and can't thank you enough I miss shooting with you, and I hope you are safe wherever you are. Of course, we talk ever so often, but I hope you are safe wherever you are, and you are missed. So, all my love to you. Okay. This is Khadka 2633. Okay, bro. इसका मतलब नहीं पता, but okay. Your question is, which is your favorite scene in Kabir Singh? My favorite scene in Kabir Singh is when Preeti slaps me and accepts me back. Because as Kabir, I was always else. Escape Believers, most challenging movie. Yet to come, I would say, my friend. Yet to come, because what is done is already done. And we don't need to waste time enjoying or reminiscing in it beyond a point. It's important to move on. If you want to stay relevant, if you want to do good work, it's important to keep searching for what else it is that you have to give to the audience, or to the craft, or to the medium, or to cinema, or to yourself, you know. So, yet to come, I would say, of course, there have been some challenging films, and of course, Haider and Udta and Kamine and Kabir Singh definitely. Jab Bhi Met had its own challenges because I knew that my character was like really bland. So, that came with its own set of challenges. What else? आप आगरा आओगे कभी ब्रदर अभी तो घर से बाहर निकलने में song is बेख्याली and I think इतना ठीक है. Do you like Priyatama song? I love that Priyatama song from Kabir Singh. I actually love all the songs from Kabir Singh. We actually loved the music so much. There was a long time when we actually thought maybe we'll just use the same music because it was just so perfect. But then we felt that, we should try and find an original energy for Kabir. It had to be different from Arjun. And I think Sandeep and me, we spoke about it a lot. And eventually we said, there's certain things we have to do afresh because they have to bring Kabir alive. He might be, he has to be his own person. And music was such a big part of the film that, and I think, Sachit and Parampara were very new, and of course Mithun and everybody else who gave music for the film did an absolutely fantastic job. All of them were fantastic. All the songs were great, and we got very lucky with the music of Kabir Singh. मीरा के रिएक्शन क्या है when she saw Kabir Singh? मीरा आपके रिएक्शन क्या थे when you saw Kabir Singh? उसने ऐसे किया. No, she really liked Kabir Singh. She, in fact, was the person who told me again and again that I should do the remake and I should go ahead and play that role. And it was just the right kind of role for me to do. So Meera was always a part of the journey. She had to deal with, the Dadi wala Kabir and the out of shape Kabir and the, eccentric Kabir for over a year. So I couldn't have done this without her love and support. And so Meera was a part of Kabir in a big way, as she is a part of my life in a very, very big way. I can't really imagine anything without her. Kabir Singh was no different. Okay, nobody's feeding me any question. I will have to hang up this live conversation if you are not asking me more questions. Please ask me questions. शाहिद ट्राई टू मिक्स हिंदी ऑल्सो प्लीज़. ये मुझे इंस्ट्रक्शन मिला है मेरी टीम से कि मैं हिंदी में वार्तालाप करने की कोशिश करूं. मैं हिंदी में बोल रहा हूं और मैं हिंदी में बोल सकता हूं. माय लैंग्वेज इज़ वेरी गुड, नो प्रॉब्लम्स देयर. कोई सवाल पूछ लो यार. विच पीस? ये बहुत फास्ट जाता है यार, कुछ समझ ही नहीं आता है मेरे को. Proud being Shanatic, I asked you but you ignored me. Please ask me again, my love. I am very sorry if I missed what you asked me because this is just, the questions are moving so fast that I'm feeling like, I'm an outdated Human is about a 36-year-old ex-cricketer जो क्रिकेट छोड़ चुका है फॉर सर्टन पर्सनल रीजंस, जिसके लिए आपको फिल्म देखनी पड़ेगी. लेकिन एज जब लोग रिटायर करते हैं वो डिसाइड, गौतम जो डायरेक्टर है फिल्म के, गौतम तिरुमुनी, उन्होंने ओरिजिनल जो बनाई थी, जो मैंने देखी थी, जो तेलुगु में थी, जिसमें नानी थे लीड एक्टर, जो बहुत ही अच्छे थे फिल्म के अंदर. उन्होंने कम से कम 4-5 बार मुझे रुलाया. I very deeply connected with the story of that film because it was about late success, and I saw it a few weeks before Kabir Singh released actually. So I was, I think, going through some kind of a thing within myself, about where I am in my career and where am I going, and what's going on, and so there was a lot happening in my system at that time. It was probably a slightly emotional, challenging time in my life where I was not very happy. And I just very deeply connected with it. Yeah. Also, he's a father, he's a husband, and he has so many responsibilities, and but the only thing he's good at is cricket. So I very deeply connected with that journey, and I think at a time like this, maybe all of us will connect with it. Because it's all about second chances. It's all about fighting against the circumstances. All of us are, dealing with a huge challenge with this pandemic, and there is so much that we need to learn from where we are at, and it's going to be a fight. So found that story very inspiring. So मुझे आशा है कि आप लोगों को भी अच्छी लगेगी है. जल्द हम उसको आपके साथ शेयर कर पाएंगे. तो मेरे दिल के बहुत करीब है ये कहानी, और मैं इमोशनली बहुत कनेक्टेड हूँ इस कहानी से. मैं रियली कहना चाहता था ये कहानी. मुझे काफ़ी सारे लोगों ने कहा कि अभी तो तुमने कबीर सिंह की है, तुमने इतना अग्रेसिव कैरेक्टर प्ले किया है, और अभी तुमने कॉलेज का कैरेक्टर प्ले कर लिया है, तो अब तुम क्यों लोगों को अपनी असली उम्र बताना चाहते हो. मुझे लगा कि असली उम्र तो गूगल पे, IMDb पे लोगों को पता है, दैट आई एम 40 years old, तो उसको छुपाने की ज़रूरत नहीं. लेकिन शुड बी अ पार्ट ऑफ दोज स्टोरीज दैट यू रियली वांट टू टेल. दैट्स एक्चुअली द बेस्ट पार्ट ऑफ बीइंग एन एक्टर, इज यू कैन टेल स्टोरीज. और मैंने कई सारी ऐसी फिल्में की हैं जिसमें स्टोरी थी ही नहीं, तो मुझे भी शायद थोड़ा टाइम लगा इस बात को समझने में. बट अब जो मैं समझ गया हूँ, तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि एक बार जो मैं समझ जाता हूँ तो फिर मुझे कोई नहीं रोक सकता, टाइप सिचुएशन. सो आई एम होपिंग टू कंटिन्यू टेलिंग स्टोरीज रिगार्डलेस ऑफ वेदर आई एम सपोज टू बी यंग और ओल्ड इन दैम, और थिन और फैट इन दैम, और sexy or unappealing in them. I just want to tell great stories. So that's why I did Jersey, and I hope that you all will like it. Any further questions? Okay guys, last couple of minutes. I'm going to wrap it up very soon. It has been amazing speaking to all of you. I can do any more shout outs. I would be happy to do them. People seem to really like them. Avni Dikshit, hi, how are you? I love you. Sweetu, I love you. Shinetic Nimra 96, again, I love you a lot. Shahid Kapoor Cafe, I love you guys. Life is Shahid, I love you. Pranjali, I love you. Himanshu Singh Vagela, I love you. And Mr. Kunal Rawal has messaged, which piece, accessory or clothing reminded you most of Kabir Singh? I think it's his glasses. I think Kabir's sunglasses are like very much his identity. The ones that he, he's smoking his cigarette, opens the door, he's trying to do some stuff with a girl, and it doesn't really work out very well for him. So I think his sunglasses are a huge part of his personality. I really enjoyed wearing them, and I kind of feel like they're a bit iconic for him. Any advice for fellow bike riders from Varun Nachar? Well, probably not the best time to go around riding right now. If you do choose to do so, because people who love riding love to ride, please wear a mask inside. Don't think that your helmet will protect you. Please wear a mask inside, and try and ride at a time where the roads are not too busy, and be safe. Don't ever ride to prove a point. Ride to enjoy yourself, and ride safe. Follow the rules. Be responsible. Know that your life is important to a lot of other people. That's it. Okay, last couple of questions. Kimaya Pai is saying, what is your reaction to the love this film continues to get even after 2 years?
Thank you very much. I'm so excited. I can't believe you guys are still loving this movie. I just every time don't know what to say.
I'm very. I'm just no words. Just I love you guys. I love you and thank you for the love. And the only endeavor is now to be able to give you something that stands up to your expectations and to keep challenging myself so that I can keep surprising you guys. And thank you for making the most broken and flawed character I've ever played the most successful in my life yet. I think that's the beauty of cinema, and I love the fact that it is like that. And it makes all the years of waiting and all those questions, it makes it all worth it. Okay, this is me signing off, saying bye to you guys. It was amazing doing this live session. I've enjoyed myself, although I need a few glasses of water because I think I've spoken too much. And फिर से मिलेंगे. Thank you for all the love for Kabir Singh. और take care of yourselves. Please be safe, be responsible, get vaccinated, and spend time with your family, spend time with your loved ones. Make the most of every day. I think we've come to learn that life is sometimes very unpredictable, and we should make the most of the time that we have. And enjoy the things that matter, like nature and love and beauty. Be healthy. Please be healthy. Keep your immunity strong, and keep believing. Everything in life is a chapter, and every chapter comes to an end. This one will too. I love you guys. Thank you for this. I love you.